Hello, I'm Josephine, your favorite cosmetic formulator and coach and your guide to cosmetic ingredients, formulation, and all. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You're watching how to make hairspray. These sprays are customizable. You don't really need much. The solvent, which is water, or use hydrosol to give it that scent. Add a chelating ingredient. Then you can include any type of humectant you wish to use: propandol, glycerin, sodium lactate. You may also go as far as including botanicals, like your plant extracts, your herbs. Now, can you include oil into your spray? Yes, but you don't really need much of oil. Your fragrance and your essential oil are oil based, so which means that if you want to include them into a regular hairspray, remember hairspray is water soluble, it needs to be mixed first with a solubilizer, and you can use any type of solubilizer: peg 40, hydrogenated castor oil, polysorbate 20, 60, 80, solubilizer at high percent, maybe 4 to 3 to 5%, depending on the amount of oil you're going to be having inside it. After you finish solubilizing it, you now add a little at a time into your water while stirring it. Okay, then you need preservative. There's no way around it, you must add preservative. You can either use easy preservative such as liquid Jama Plus, or you go for natural preservatives. Not every ingredient is suitable for child use or at every pH. Remember to check the pH of your products. Now, can I add plants oils? It may make it more heavy, and with hairspray, since you might still need to use hair oil or hair butter or any other formulation, then you may not really need to add all that into your products. For hairspray, you can keep the pH at around 4 to 5 or 4.5 to 5. So the most important ingredients in your hairspray is water soluble ingredients, your preservative, and then maybe the active. So I hope you have been able to learn from this class again. Till next time, I remain your favorite coach, Josephine. Give thumbs up and comment below. Don't forget, we teach how to make skincare and hair care products. We have online class and we have physical class. We can also help you develop products or formula for your brand. We also customize any skincare or hair care products for individuals, and you can book a consultation with us for 1 hour or 2 or 3 if you may wish. To shop any of these, go to jclabandacademy.com. Again, jclabandacademy.com. I can't wait to see your formulation. Bye, fave.